Estonia tastes of dark forests, the Baltic Sea, and a quiet, modern revolution. This is Lieb, the dark rye bread that is the sacred heart of the table. Verivurst, spiced blood sausage, a centerpiece of the winter feast. The forest is a larder, providing mushrooms, berries, and wild herbs. The shocking pink shaltibarshchai is the refreshing taste of summer. Sauerkraut, the medieval lemon, preserved summer in a hearty stew. Kohuke, a sweet, glazed curd snack beloved from childhood. By the sea, fish is cold smoked over alderwood, capturing the Baltic breeze. Kama, a roasted flour mix, is a unique ancient instant meal. Today, ancient ingredients find new life in a quiet culinary renaissance.